Kamusta mga katropa? Ayan, mag-reaction tayo dito sa bagong cover song ng banda Mission Souls, yung kanta ni Tracy Chapman, yung pinamagatang Give Me One Reason. Ayan, tignan natin kung gaano kagaling si Stacy dito. Stacy yung kakanta. Ganda nung intro nito, ano lang, clean tone ng electric guitar.
Give me one reason to stay here.
Lamig ng boses ni Stacy. Napakaswabe nung kanyang umpisa.
And I'll turn my back around. Give me one reason to stay here. And I'll turn
Abangan natin yung pasok ng ibang instrumento. Tignan natin kung gaano kaganda yung areglo ng kantan to.
my back around. Said I don't wanna leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind.
Ang linis nung tunog nila dito sa umpisa, no? Siguro may sorpresa pagpasok ng ibang instrumento. Tignan natin kung ano yung magaganap.
Baby, I got your number. Oh, and I know that you got mine.
Ayan na, pumasok na yung ibang instrumento. Nagkaroon na ng kulay yung tunog dito.
You know that I called you. I called too many times. You can call me baby. You can call
Yung estilo ni Nisha dito parang blues, yung atake niya sa gitara, blues.
me anytime. You got to call me. Give me one reason to stay here. And I'll turn my back around.
Astig ng palo ni Ice. Galing.
You can see me turning. Give me one reason to stay here. And I'll turn my back around. You can see
Pati yung bassline ni Daddy Second. Ayos na ayos, lapat na lapat.
Said I don't wanna leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind. I don't want no one to squeeze me.
Parang naririnig ko gitara si Clapton. Yung style ni Nisha dito na blues.
They might take away my life. I don't want no one to squeeze me. They might take away my life. I just want someone to
Ano masasabi nyo guys dito sa areglo nila dito sa kanta na to guys? I-comment nyo lang yung mga reaction dyan sa ating comment section at babasahin ko yan guys isa-isa.
hold me. Oh, and rock me through the night.
Aba, may solo pala dito si Nisha. Iba yung atake ni Nisha dito sa kanta na to. Yung technique na gamit niya sa gitara. Ibang klase, blues ang tunog. Parang John Mayer, at B.B. King.
This youthful heart can love you. Oh, and give you what you need. I said this youthful heart
Ayan si Mami Sheena na yung kumakanta guys. Napakagandang boses niyan si Mami Sheena.
Can love you, oh, and give you what you need. But I'm too old to go chasing you around.
Okay din yung piano ni Aces. Ganda rin ang tunog.
Wasting my precious on you. Give me one reason to stay here. Yes, nocturne, I make around.
Yung tunog nila dito parang tunog 70s, no? Yung mga tugtugan nun.
You can see me turning. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. You can see me turning. Said I don't.
Hindi lang talaga pang rock ang bandang Mission Souls. Kahit anong genre talagang kayang-kaya rin nila talaga eh.
You gotta make me change my mind. Baby, just give me one reason. Oh, give me just one reason why. Baby, just
Medyo mahirap din tong pyesa na to pero talagang yakang-yaka lang sa bandang Mission Souls.
give me one reason. Oh, give me just one reason why I should stay. Said I told you that I love you, and there ain't no.
Gusto ko yan yung post ni Ice na yan. Ang usay talaga ta-timing ni Ice sa drums. Hindi siya nawawala sa beat.
More to say.
Grabe, astig. Lupit talaga ng bandang Mission Souls.